In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide WhatsApp status. So you can hide your WhatsApp status from some contacts. You can even hide your WhatsApp status from everybody you have on WhatsApp. You can also be selective and share your WhatsApp status with some selected group of people. So here, you learn the basic and the steps you need to take to hide your WhatsApp status on your WhatsApp account. However, if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp application and go to your WhatsApp settings. On iPhone, you just need to click on the settings icon here. On Android, click on this three dot at top right and click on settings. One of the settings page, you want to come here and click on privacy. So this is where you control your activities on WhatsApp. That's your privacy page. Then tap my status. Once you hit my status, you have three options available here. Who can see my status update? That is your contact, my contact except, only share with. So if you want to hide your WhatsApp status from a group of people, just select my contact except and here tap exclude this and select who you want to hide your contact from here. Then if you want to only share with, choose this and tap included. Then select who you want to include your WhatsApp status here. Just select the name, just like this. You can just select them randomly. Then click on this check mark to add them. Once added, you should see the total number of people that are able to see your WhatsApp contact. And if you choose my contact, this will show your WhatsApp status to all your contact list on WhatsApp. So you can just play around this three to exclude, that is to remove people from seeing your particular WhatsApp contact here. Then click on them and click on check. Then this will exclude these people from seeing your WhatsApp contact. Here we only share your WhatsApp contact with this set of people, and this my contact will share WhatsApp contact with all contacts you have on your WhatsApp page. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.